Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you could set up your password for Windows running computer if this is the first time doing that. To set up for the first time your password, click on the Windows sign, click on the settings, or just type settings in the search loop. The next step, select or click on accounts. On the left panel, click signing options. And from this first panel, manage how you sign into your device, select password. At this stage, this option will show. Click add. And here you will be prompted to add your password. Enter the wanted password. Re-enter again or confirm the password. You can set up a password hint to remember in case you forgot your password. And once done, click on next. Click finish, and then your password will be set up. So once you restart your computer or you shut down, and the next time you turn on your computer, you will be requested to enter your password to be able to access your computer.